Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Do you need a good waxing?
I never thought that I would be using wax to get hair off. I had an issue with my armpit hair. I would shave it and it would come right back so soon. So I thought if I used wax that it would last longer. And boy, was it true. My husband shaves his chest hair, so I convinced him to let me use the wax on him. You just apply it, it's nice and warm. Just make sure it's not too hot. And then you just take it and rip it off, hopefully in one shot. He was really a good sport. It was pretty fun. The bag is huge, so you can do a lot of waxing. Here's the texture of it. This is about after 10 minutes, so you can definitely make it looser. And look at how much hair we got off.
I honestly love this product. It works really well. It's good for beginners. I'm definitely a beginner, so it works very well. I love this product and I'm going to keep on using it, and that's my point of view.